Morning, everybody. Face no wash it. But me I wonder if anybody who experience cancer was spread out in their body or in their bone can give me an idea what it is. Because I think this pain is exhaustive. It's way, 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 way too much. Now, me have to go get one sheet to put underneath the pillow. That's so we can peep on it tonight. Because last night I could not move any at all. I know I have the rheumatoid arthritis with the pinch nerve and the back. So I took a shower yesterday about 4 o'clock. And I lay in the recliner and I couldn't move, like my waist went dead. And when I came to bed, I wanna pee for about 2 hours and I couldn't move. Like the entire, from my waist to my leg, my entire body. It can't move, you can't touch it, you can't do nothing at all to it for over 2 hours. And then I didn't want to wake Chris to get some hot water because him injured him too and him have a lot of pain as well. And if bother him all day, which is so annoying. And a lot of you, that video that I did yesterday that you are saying, some of you say because Chris tired of me and him get frustrated. And some of you say, you never know, say, him rough and him this and that. I am not attracted to soft men. With my personality, I could not marry a man that is soft. Because I would beat him to unalivement. I come from a very violent home and I can get very angry. So my ex-husband is a police and I remarried to a soldier. I can't deal with soft men. I don't. The rougher crispy is the more him turn me on. Me no like soft man. What is good about it is that like every 3 years he may trouble me and me fire lick pan him and thank God he no lick me back so far yet. We gone over 13 years and he has never been physical. Chris anger is in his face and his tone. And him learn to control himself, thank God. Over 13 years, him never raise him hand even once. Or him never say, you know, say, I will lick you even once. Never. And thank God for that. But I go drink some baking soda. Somebody tell me this if you drink the baking soda with the warm water. So I go drink like a baking soda now with like a warm water. I don't know if you see. And yesterday I never go get my walk. So I don't know if it's the fractured back and the pinch nerve or if rain is going to fall today. And somebody gave us a good idea, said to cut the bed, to cut the bed foot. And Chris have him saw, so I'm going to cut the bed foot and make it lower because one person tell us $40,000 for make a little dive and base. I want to see it say them scam we and rob we. So we don't have no money for buy anything. We can hardly buy food now. We don't have no money. So we have to cut the bed foot. But more want to know. And then imagine doctor tell you say you have Chris have a wife where doctor say you have cancer and doctor tell me say me have cancer. And then call me want to surgery me up. They don't hear from me again. So you imagine. So me I wonder when cancer spread out in the bone and the body. What is it? Or the fractured back and the pinch nerve. This pain is just way, 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 way too much.